Today we're diving deep into this 2016 McLaren 675LT MSO listed by Auto Deals on DubiCars, your go-to platform for buying, selling and researching cars in the UAE. This is an incredible piece of engineering that has the raw essence of track-focused performance, and we're here to tell you all about it. Let's kick off the review with 5 unique highlights that set the 675LT apart. One, exclusivity. Limited to just 500 units globally, the 675LT Coupe is part of an exclusive club at the McLaren Special Operations or MSO carbon fiber package, and you've got a truly unique car. 2. Carbon fiber everywhere. The 675LT features the extensive use of carbon fiber, from the monocell chassis that weighs just 75 kilograms to the body panels and aero elements. The entire car just weighs 1230 kilograms. 3. Track-focused aerodynamics. The LT stands for long tail, which is a tribute to McLaren's legendary F1 GT homologation road car. This version features a longer rear deck, active rear spoiler, and aggressive aero elements for superior downforce. 4. Insane power to weight ratio. The 675LT is powered by a 3.8-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces 666 horsepower and 700 Nm. That gives it a power to weight ratio of 544 horsepower per ton that rivals some hypercars. 5. Lightweight wheels. The 675LT rides on new lightweight wheels, 19-inch at the front, 20-inch at the rear. Each wheel weighs 800 grams less than the alloy wheels on the McLaren P1. That's insane. At the front, the aggressive splitter and massive air vents scream aerodynamics. The sharp headlights, inspired by the McLaren P1, give the car a menacing look. Move to the side and you'll notice the signature dihedral doors, an iconic McLaren trait that never fails to turn heads. The rear is where the long tail magic happens. The extended rear deck, prominent diffuser and active rear wing aren't just for show. They add 40% more downforce than the 650S on which this car is based. Twin titanium exhaust tips sit high and center, producing a distinctive growl that's music to petrol heads' ears. This is a cockpit that's all over the driver. The Alcantara-wrapped carbon fiber bucket seats are designed to keep you planted firmly in place during hard cornering. The minimalistic dashboard puts everything within easy reach, and it also includes a portrait touchscreen on the center console. Exposed carbon fiber elements dominate the cabin, reinforcing the car's lightweight ethos. This car is as raw as it gets. Comfort? Well, you do get air conditioning, and that's just it. Let's talk numbers, because the 675LT is all about them. Under that hood is McLaren's well-known 3.8-litre V8 engine, reworked with lightweight internals, new turbochargers and a revised exhaust system. In this car, it produces 675 PS and 700 Nm, giving it its name 675LT. In horsepower terms, it is 666 horsepower, going to the rear wheels via a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. On the performance front, the numbers speak for themselves. 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.9 seconds, 0 to 200 7.9 seconds, and a top speed of 330 km per hour. The steering is incredibly communicative, giving you confidence in every corner. The suspension system, derived from the P1 hypercar, adapts seamlessly to provide both precision on the track and relative ease on the street. Its exclusivity, breathtaking design and unparalleled performance make it a dream machine for any car enthusiast. Find this McLaren 675LT MSO from Auto Deals on DubiCars. Make sure you download our app and turn on the notification settings to get the latest updates on cars. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to DubiCars channel for more automotive content. That's it from us for now. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep the pedal to the metal.